In this class you will learn about ways to standardize rendering, defining such parameters as image size and other properties. Open the presets file located in the course files. Start by enabling the rendering presets and analyzing their properties. The rendering presets are on the Render tab Render panel. Enable the Manage Render Presets option and let's analyze the rendering presets. First, you see the Draft option, which is a simple way of sketching and be able to preview the materials and selected lighting. And the Low, Medium and High options create higher definition images. The Presentation option is recommended for the final rendering, as it calculates more precisely the shadows and illumination. Consequently, the rendering time is longer and requires more powerful hardware. You can see the preset provides a default render setting, but you can also create a copy and change the parameters as you need. Let's practice. Create a copy of the medium preset and modify the direct illumination and enable the indirect, but we won't enable the final gather option. Select the medium preset and click Create Copy, and then type the name and description on the Copy Render Preset screen. See, you can create a new copy with other settings, delete an existing preset or enable a selected preset and make it current. Click OK to conclude this. After that, let's learn about another extremely important parameter for image size definitions. Click Output Size on the Render tab, Render panel. There are 4 presetting options, but you can also specify the image size by clicking Specify Image Size. See how to select one of the preset image sizes on the Output Size screen. Define the proportion of the image in the Image Aspect option. The value 1.333 or 1.333 makes the width of the image 1.33 times larger than its height. Click on the lock and then it will be possible to define a new value for the width and then change the image size proportionally. After that, we will apply rendering to the scene and save it in a specific format. Enable Render on the Render tab, Render panel. After the rendering is finished, click File to save the desired image. The program provides several file format options. Let's select the TIFF option as it is a universal file format for images. AutoCAD provides even more options when saving the image. You can define the color system settings for saving, so to achieve photographic quality, let's select 24 bits at least. In the dots per inch field, you define the number of points per square inch. For printing quality images, you need to define at least 300 points per square inch. So in this class you studied about ways to standardize rendering, defining image size parameters and other properties.